Yo, what's up? This is the first video of skate park vlogs, and I'm not really too sure where we're at, but we're at a cemetery. We haven't even been in the jump yet. We hope this is it. We don't really know. We're just gonna walk a quarter mile into the woods, and we already went to one before this, but it wasn't the right one. So hopefully it's it.
You're my ass. Oh.
Oh my God! Holy! Well, that was a send and a half. This place is fucking dope. First time hitting some big boy jumps. Yeah, they're sick. I'll be back. Owen hitting some jumps today. Progress. Shit's dope. Putting the rug back on just to be a good person. No karma. Owen working hard over there, putting the rugs back like a good gentleman. No karma. Dude, these are some big boy jumps. Big boy. Yo, what is good? We are out in Rochester today. I'm with Owen and Steve, and we're about to shred today. We were at a dirt jump a couple days ago. My bike sounds like shit.
Do the cranks. It's not as bad.
Sounds great. But yeah, stay tuned for a little ride session here in Rochester.